Severely affected by the storm. Viewers, subscribers, this is Island Gal from town, and you are listening to Lady P. Now, she has made a video about her situation, and Lady P has been sleeping in a rented vehicle, bouncing it here and there, washing up in public restrooms, trying to keep afloat. Now, did she get any assistance from FEMA, Red Cross, or any other organization who are helping the people right now in Boone where she lives? Well, we don't really know. Some persons are saying that Lady P is good on the head game in terms of kind of getting into people's hearts and breaking them to send her gifts and donations. Now, people, if you are able to help her after listening in on her story, please do so. You know where to link her up. I'm going to be tuning in with her, and I'm sure she's going to give her contact information. For now, take a look at what happened and take a look at how she's doing right now on her live. It's Island Gal from town. Don't forget to like, share, give your views by commenting. Subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and please do hit the heart with a $sign if you're able. My people, as always, do work hard, stay humble. I am currently homeless and closeless because everything is a mess. Most of you guys are saying that I should have evacuated. First of all, this is the first time in history something like this is happening in North Carolina, especially where I live. So they did not ask us to evacuate the building. They said we should stay in because they thought that would be the safest thing to do. That's my car out there. That's my tablet. Like, I lost everything. I'm right at square zero. So guys, I'm asking you for any contribution that you can give. That's my PayPal and that's my Cash App right there. And I will send insurance, renter's insurance that I have do not cover for flooding, okay? Share the video if you can. Thank you. Like, she get a call.
Like, she try Penny.
Uh-huh.
Because when I have no Cash App on my phone, I have them on my phone. The only thing I have is MoneyGram. And the one reason I download MoneyGram is because I have to send money to Jamaica to my son. That's the only reason.
No, show me information. I don't know. No grandma to blood clot. I pray to God save pharmacy.
Your Cash App.
Okay, thanks.
And I know it's not much, but I just hope that it helped you, okay?
Come on, thanks.
And I know I'm not gonna tell you how to feel because we are all human, and we're, we've been to places where, we never expect that we would have been, but just know that God is able, okay? And He will take care of you, okay?
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day.
No, I feel like him forsake me. I feel like him turning back on me.
No, he don't turn he did not turn his back on you, okay? He did not turn his back on you. This is going to be a living testimony for you. You just have to hope and you just have to pray. He did not forsake you. He will never forsake his children.
Because it's a bad situation, I know all me go work if my back no fix. And the doctor said me not for do nothing, them not keep me in a surgery, but I so pinch nerves go.
I know you don't want to come on the media and ask for help, but I think a lot of people.
Yeah, what am I help with the pain? Because God knows I can barely walk. You know what kind of calamity this up and poor old me. On juice. Like the workplace pay for medication. And that's some of them call me and tell me nothing. Yesterday say they know so I'm back in Japan work and nobody no call me and ask no question or nothing at all. I just feel like I just put a space so blood cleans. Not even one phone call in a call and ask if me alright. If me need nothing, then no call me now. A good man no go back there. A good mind, don't go back there, I swear to God.
They're not gonna call you. I was on the live the other day when it happened. And this happened to me on the 29th of August. The workplace not gonna call you. You'll have to keep in contact with Worksman Comp.
Let me do that then.
They're gonna send you letters. They're gonna send you some letter. And you're gonna sign up a letter there. So don't worry yourself. Do what you have to do. I never do all of that with you the same day.
I mean, not hear nothing from the people there, man. What things them do? So night it happen for the HR nobody there. Only the supervisor do I just write the statement transfer to go to the hospital and tell them say a workman comes responsible to me. That's it. I don't hear back from them, I don't know nothing at all.
The thing is, the HR or the company is not going to voluntarily tell you to do it because they don't want to do it. They don't want to pay for it for you. So you have to go to HR and request that. You're not going to voluntarily do it, like, basically be like, oh, go apply for it. That's where it comes. It's not going to voluntarily sign you up for it. You have to go to them.
That one took 3 weeks.
Lady B.
Apply for a home loan was easier. 30 minutes.
Afternoon, I sent you something in your cell. Just check and let me know if you receive it.
Refresh your space for less.
How much?
Take 30% off with the Pulse card. No card? Get 20% off with the coupon. Plus, rewards members take extra on home.
Alicia?
Yes.
Yeah, I received it. Thanks.
Alright, just keep the faith, girl. I don't know how to come down. Take me down.
Alright.
And I only say that because
At work. And they sign up everything there, like every single thing. HR come to me, I have to do a drug test. They come to me and they do everything there. Then they send me off to the hospital with a paper. So I use their insurance, not mine.
They don't give me no paper or nothing. They just send me go as if I tell them, say, I tell them a business place name and tell them, say, workman comes and that's it. Now you're back there, don't call me, not call, so I'll just take my time, go them Monday morning.
Yeah, go to them. Yeah, they should have done that for the same day. They should have done that. But as I say,
I can't work back, you know, come back at me, back keep on and I'm thinking, so me get the painkiller, them give me an injection, and then put something back and give me 6 pills to take and so that will ease up. So this morning, I can barely get up off of the bed.
they might go do wiper investigation too. To see if they did have no back problem otherwise, they might go send a wiper some of you sign up. They're responsible for you for 2 years.
Oh.
And you will get a prescription card for 2 years. Where can you say 2 years? So go back to your HR then.
I'll go there tomorrow and work up.
Yeah, go there tomorrow. But me never have to go back to them because them do everything same time. So I never have to go back to them. But don't worry yourself for them respond to you. Once you're on a job and then take full responsibility, the response for you. Alright.
But still, if we get pay.
Yeah, them are going to pay you. But they out of work for 3 weeks and them pay me for 3 weeks.
Oh.
Your full pay. And when you sign up a paper, they have to ask you how much you work per hour and all of that. You did do a drug test at the work, at the job?
No, I do it at the hospital.
Oh. Me I see the same way, you know. I see actually same thing. Same thing. And nobody ever never reached out for me to say, alright. Nobody at all. But if you're gonna sue them, don't use their their insurance no more if you go through them.
Oh.
Yeah, no use no for them. Even the prescription card that they're gonna send you, don't use it. If you get a lawyer, they will tell you. Because they will say they take full responsibility and they were taking care of you. Mm-hmm. All right, but you're gonna be okay. Just pray and hope. Maybe a year like that. All right, so take care here.
All right, thanks.
All right, baby.